Okay, this is a quick video to go over the new MDB power conditioning cable Gen 2, and actually this does two things. It does the power conditioning, so if you have any of the machines that were causing the link telemeter to reboot when the doors open or close, or you were having other issues with power being unstable and the link rebooting, this will fix that problem. But it also does something else. It also fixes issues on the MDB bus where the signaling is degraded and it's too low and you get stuck on the init MDB screen. So I'm sure you've probably seen some telemeters where you don't have the MDB connected correctly, and it'll get to display connecting with Verizon or whatever, then it gets stuck on init MDB. That's because the link telemeter can't talk to the vending machine controller and get registered on MDB. So this also has amplifiers both ways to fix degraded signals, and that can happen on it doesn't happen really too much with known machines, but if there's like the newer crane hardware like the Griffin and the Talus CoinMech and Bill Validator, they pull they're way out of spec in terms of how much power they pull off the signaling line, so they can bring the signaling too low. So if you're using both those pieces of equipment, you'll probably need this. So this is really easy to hook up. It's in line, so it's just like an extension cable. It's got a male and a female. The important thing about hooking this up, and you have to remember this, is that because it's meant to fix the signals to and from the link device, it has to be connected directly into the link device. So on the full screens, it would go here. And then this part here, you would connect the rest of your MDB Y cable into here. So it's important that you remember the wires from this new MDB power conditioning cable gets connected directly into the link telemeter. Then the Y cable gets connected on this side. So just remember the board here, part of it gets connected to the Y cable, and then the wires get connected to the telemeter. Do not connect this in between the VMC and the Y cable. That's wrong. This always has to be connected to the telemeter. And just to show you on a Link B, this is my Link B that I use. This is all the wiring harnesses cabled up right here. But the power conditioning cable would go into the there's not actually a real MDB cable on the telemeter, but it goes off the MDB cable that is wired right out of this proprietary connector here. So that's all there is to it. And again, you can leave this on the machine full time, and it does two things. It fixes power issues, so it's got a capacitor, smooths out the power, and it also fixes low signal conditions to and from the link telemeter. So good luck with that, and talk later.